When it comes to upgrading your home in Melville, choosing the best materials for window installation can make all the difference in comfort, style, and long-term savings. The right window material enhances energy efficiency, boosts curb appeal, and ensures durability in the face of New York's variable climate. Whether you're renovating a historic colonial or modernizing a contemporary home, understanding the pros and cons of each window material will help you make an informed choice. Vinyl windows. The budget-friendly Performer vinyl has become one of the most popular materials for window installation in Melville residences, and for good reason. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows are affordable, low maintenance, and highly energy efficient. Advantages. Energy efficiency. Vinyl frames have excellent insulating properties, keeping indoor temperatures stable during cold winters and humid summers. Minimal maintenance. They don't require painting or staining, and a simple cleaning keeps them looking new. Weather resistance. Vinyl resists moisture, meaning it won't rot, warp, or corrode, even during Melville's snowy or rainy seasons. Ideal for homeowners who want an economical, reliable option that offers long-term performance with minimal upkeep. Wood windows. Timeless beauty and natural insulation wood windows are the go-to choice for traditional homes or those looking to add a touch of natural warmth. They offer unmatched aesthetic appeal and superior insulation. Advantages. Classic look. Wood complements both historical and luxury modern homes, adding sophistication and charm. Insulation power. As a natural insulator, wood helps reduce energy loss and keeps rooms comfortable year-round. Customizable. Wood can be painted or stained in any color, giving you complete design flexibility. Maintenance tip. Wood windows require regular sealing or painting to prevent moisture damage, but with proper care, they can last for decades. Ideal for homeowners prioritizing aesthetics and authenticity, particularly in heritage style or high-end properties. Aluminum windows. Modern, sleek, and durable for Melville residents looking for a sleek, contemporary appearance, aluminum windows are a stylish and strong option. They are lightweight yet robust and can accommodate large glass panes. Advantages. Durability. Aluminum frames resist warping, cracking, and rusting, even in fluctuating temperatures. Slim profile. The narrow frame design allows for expansive views and more natural light. Low maintenance. A simple wipe down is enough to keep them clean. However, aluminum conducts heat, so ensure your installer uses thermal breaks, insulating barriers that reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Ideal for modern homes or offices where aesthetics and structural strength are top priorities. Fiberglass windows. The long-lasting innovative fiberglass windows are gaining popularity in Melville thanks to their strength, insulation, and low maintenance. Made from glass fibers and resin, these frames can withstand harsh weather without compromising performance. Advantages. Extreme durability. Fiberglass doesn't expand or contract with temperature changes, maintaining its shape for decades. Energy efficient. Comparable to or better than vinyl, fiberglass minimizes heat transfer and air leakage. Customizable finishes. Many fiberglass windows mimic wood textures, offering beauty without the upkeep. Ideal for homeowners who want a modern, eco-friendly solution that balances longevity, energy savings, and aesthetics. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows blend materials like wood and polymer or aluminum and PVC to create a strong, energy-efficient frame. They combine the best properties of each material. Advantages. Versatile design. Composite materials can replicate the look of wood while being more weather-resistant. High efficiency. Superior insulation helps reduce heating and cooling costs. Sustainability. Many composites use recycled materials, appealing to eco-conscious homeowners. Ideal for those seeking performance, durability, and sustainability without sacrificing appearance. Choosing the right material for your Melville home. Your final decision depends on your home's style, budget, and maintenance preferences. For affordability and energy efficiency, vinyl is unbeatable. For classic appeal and warmth, wood is timeless. For modern aesthetics, aluminum delivers elegance and strength. For maximum durability, fiberglass excels. For balanced performance, composite materials offer versatility. When planning your window installation in Melville, consider local climate, architectural style, and long-term maintenance. Working with a professional installer ensures proper fitting and sealing, enhancing both the lifespan and efficiency of your new windows. Conclusion: choosing the best material for your Melville window installation isn't just about looks, it's about investing in lasting comfort, energy efficiency, and value. With the right combination of style and performance, your new windows will transform your home into a brighter, more comfortable, and energy-smart living space for years to come.